Denver rushes 3. Flacco steps up, throws deep, far sideline. Jacoby Jones has it at the 20. Jacoby Jones, touchdown, Ravens, and the miracle is answered. I told you don't give up. I told you it wasn't over.
You said it.
He is going to throw Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown. I didn't know they had it for a while. I thought the ball bounced. I don't believe it.
Guys defending in the end zone. And a little jump ball. Urlacher got a hand on it. It was caught. It's a touchdown! The Chiefs got it on a ricochet. And caught by McCluster.
2 seconds to play. And here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air. Caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down.
Zone or a quick out route to try to get in field goal range. Looks like they're going to go deep. Dalton to the end zone, down the field, and it is deflected and caught! Touchdown! A.J. Green! Prayer answered for the Bengals!
Okay. Forget about all that strategy, the timeout use, the clock management. You know what? Just throw it up to A.J. Green. Forget all of that stuff. What a play. Look at this bundle of guys, and A.J. Green just staying alive. Once that ball's tipped, those guys can pull him down, grab him, keep him away. 3 Browns.
And they're trying to.
There's 4 or 5 Browns, 3 Bengals. A.J. Green pulls it down.
That's incredible concentration. 3 guys hanging on him, and he still manages to keep his eye on that ball, keep his poise, and pull it in.
Cleveland 46. 3 wide receivers right, Kramer back to pass. He's going deep, down the right side, and it is fought for, and it is touchdown! Touchdown! Rashawn! Absolutely one of the great dramatic finishes of any football game, anywhere. The Vikings go to the playoffs, 28-23.
Time to move around for a few seconds to let everybody get to the end zone and perform the play.
Brunell is on the run. He's back at the 40-yard line under pressure, has to avoid, and now turn and launch it downfield. And a leaping attempt is made, but it's batted away and into the arms of Jimmy Smith. Touchdown!
Receivers with David in the shotgun. Missing time. David shuffles his feet, turns and launches this one in the direction of Mike Sims Walker. And this one's going to be batted and caught! Touchdown! Oh my gosh! How did that happen? It was batted back into the arms of Mike Thomas, and the Jaguars have won it! Holy cow!
How did that happen?
That's unbelievable! Mike Sims Walker batted it back! Oh! Hail Mary!
It's all about 5 seconds.
They're going to bring pressure.
Well, they did the last time, too, which I thought was pretty smart. They got Rodgers backpedaling. He resets Starks. They are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis does it.
Stop it!
Oh, please!
What a catch!
That's insane!
Oh my, that may be one of the great throws ever made. Moving to his left, falling away and launching a perfect throw.
That's insane. Now go back. Of course, we have to watch this again. Did he have control? They look at it. It's a scoring play. Is it a catch? Ball is bouncing around on his chest.
Oh.
But can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game-ending